Hey, it's Ian. We all know how versatile sponges are, but we also know how dirty, grimy, and expensive they can get. That's why I'm excited to introduce this really awesome cleaning product that's actually 12 sponges in one. Don't believe me? Let's take a closer look. Now, these sponges are made of a super absorbent, high-grade microfiber which could be used on just about any surface, even delicate ones like windows, wood, countertops, and so much more. But the real magic lies in its 12-layer design, so when the sponge gets a little dingy, you don't have to throw it away and waste your money. All you need to do is wet it a little bit and peel off the top layer, and now you have a fresh cleaning pad. Now, we offer these in 2 sizes to help facilitate any cleaning routine anywhere in the house, like the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, heck, even the walls. And remember, when it starts to get dingy, just rip off the layer and you're ready to go again. Now, if you're doing some heavy-duty cleaning and the grime seeps through to the next layer, that's okay because these are dishwasher safe. Now, what I love about this is the first customizable sponge I've ever seen. You could peel this in half so you have 2 separate sponges, or you could peel off each individual layer so you have 12 cleaning pads for the whole house. Now, like I said, these come in 2 sizes, a regular and a large, but I recommend getting both because with each sponge, you're essentially getting 12 for the price of 1. So we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.